Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about the names of common keyboard symbols. Let's get started. First, we have the symbol, which is called an exclamation mark. Next is the @ symbol, known as the @ sign. The hashtag symbol is called a number sign, or sometimes hash or pound. This one is the dollar symbol, known as the dollar sign. Here we have the percent symbol, called the percent sign. This symbol caret is called a caret. The and symbol is known as the ampersand. Next, we have the asterisk symbol, called an asterisk. The symbol is known as the left parenthesis. And the symbol is the right parenthesis. The symbol can be called a hyphen, or sometimes a minus sign. This one underscore is called an underscore. The equals symbol is known as the equal sign. And the plus symbol is the plus sign. Next, we have the symbol, called the left bracket. The symbol is known as the right bracket. This symbol is called the left brace, or left curly bracket. And the symbol is the right brace, or right curly bracket. The backslash symbol is known as the backslash. This one is called the vertical bar, or sometimes the pipe. The symbol is known as the semicolon. And the symbol is called the colon. This symbol is known as the apostrophe, or sometimes the single quote. The symbol is called the quotation mark, or double quote. Next, we have the symbol, called the comma. The symbol is known as the less than sign. This one is called the period, or dot. And the symbol is the greater than sign. The slash symbol is known as the slash, or sometimes the forward slash. The symbol is called the question mark. This symbol is known as the tilde. And finally, the symbol is called the grave accent, or sometimes the backtick. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content. See you next time.